Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Log In. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your First Bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search First Bank Login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to www.efirstbank.com. It will then take you to the official website of First Bank. Once the page has been loaded up, enter your user ID, then enter your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to login. Then you should be able to access your First Bank account. To make login easier for next time, you can click to remember user ID. But I do not recommend you doing it in a public computer or a shared device. If you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking to Forgot Password. And if you are new to First Bank, you can create a new account by clicking to Sign Up. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.